Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate about interface and inheritance types that this interface supports in Java. So, let's get started. In one of the previous sessions of this course, I've already covered the different types of inheritance we have in Java. That is single level inheritance. Second one is multi-level inheritance. Third is hierarchical inheritance. Fourth one is multiple, and the final one is hybrid, which is a combination of hierarchical and multiple. Okay. Now, out of all these inheritance types, classes, classes in Java are only supported by the first three. The classes support only the first three inheritance types. Okay, single level inheritance is possible in Java with classes. Multi-level inheritance is possible in Java with classes. Hierarchical inheritance is also possible in Java with classes. But coming to the multiple and hybrid, they are not possible with classes. Coming to the interfaces, coming to the interfaces in Java, all these five inheritance types are supported by interfaces. The inheritance types which are not supported by classes are also supported by interfaces. So let me practically show you how all these different inheritance types are supported by interfaces in Java. Okay. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE here. I'm going to I'm going to go to this package. Okay. Right click new. Let me create an interface. I'll name this interface as interface A. You can give any name. I'm just naming it with A. Now here I created an interface. Now here I created an interface. Now I can create one more interface B I'll say. Now I want to show you that interfaces support single level inheritance. Okay. Here we have two independent interfaces, that is interface A and interface B. If I want to make this interface B a child interface of the interface A, can I do that? Yes. We can make an interface a child interface of a parent interface. For that, which keyword we have to use? For making an interface inherit another interface, which keyword I have to use? Do you have to use extends or implements? A lot of people may tell that implements, but that is wrong, guys. Okay, when a child class, when a child, when the when it is a class and that class want to inherit an interface, in that case implements we have to use. But here we have an interface. If the interface want to become a child of another interface, here we have to use extends only, guys. Okay, extends interface A. Okay. So in Java, there are three combinations. Let me show you what are three combinations. For example, here parent is a class, child is a class. If I want to make this class B a child of this class A, I have to use extends. Class B extends class A. Fine. Now here we have interface A, let's say, and here we have the class B. If I want to make the class B a child of this interface A, here we have to use a keyword known as implements keyword. Okay, when a class want to inherit properties from a interface, or when a class want to become a child of an interface, we have to use implements. Class B implements interface A. But here we have interface A, and here another interface is there, interface B is there. If an interface want to become a child of another interface in Java, here we have to use extends. Okay? If the child item is not a class, if it is an interface, then extends only. If the child item is a class, then implements if the parent is an interface. Okay? In this case, even though the parent is interface, but if the child item is an interface, it's extends. Okay, this is the difference you need to understand, guys. Okay, so that's why I'm writing extends. Okay, I should not write implements here. You see, single level inheritance is possible. Single level, where an interface is inheriting another interface. This is called as single level inheritance is possible in Java. Now coming to the next one, multi-level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one more interface C extends interface B like this. You see, interface C is a child of the interface B is a child of the interface A. So this is called as multi-level inheritance. Now third one is hierarchical. Let me remove this. Third one is hierarchical, where multiple interfaces will have the same parent. So here, interface, interface B, I'll say. I'll create an interface B. And here one more interface I'll create. Interface C, I'll say. Now here we have two interfaces. I want to make this interface B a child of the interface A. Interface C also a child of the interface A. Is that possible? Extends interface A, and here also extends interface A. Now here, interface A is a parent of both these child interfaces B and C. Both these interfaces, interface B and interface C, are the children of the same parent interface A. Okay, extends interface A, extends interface A. Now fourth one is a multiple inheritance. Is it supported by the interfaces? Yes. So for that, I'll just remove this. Okay. Now what I'll do here is, so I'll make the interface C a child of both these parents. Interface A is one parent, interface B is one parent. Extends interface A, comma, interface B. You see, I'm not getting any error. I'm not getting any error. If this is a class, I would have got the error here, right? You see, an interface can have multiple parents. You see, in Java, interface can have multiple parents. Here, C is a child of both A and B, which is possible for the interfaces but not for the classes. So, multiple inheritance is possible for interfaces in Java. Now, the final one is hybrid inheritance is also supported by interfaces, because hybrid is nothing but the combination of hierarchical and multiple. Since these both are possible, this hybrid will be automatically possible. Okay. So, here I'll remove all this stuff. First of all, I would like to make B and C the child of the same parent A. For that extends interface A, I'll say. Here extends again interface A, I'll say. Okay. Interface what is the problem? Here mistake is there. Interface A. Okay. B is also the child of the same parent interface A. C is also the child of the same parent interface A. Okay. Now I'll create one more interface, interface D, and I would like to make this interface D a child of both interface B and C. Interface B, comma, interface C. Like this. D is a child of both B and C. B and C are the parents of this D. Okay, you see B and C are the parents of this D, and where A is a single parent of B and C. This combination we have achieved here, and this is called as hybrid inheritance, which is also supported by interfaces. We are not getting any errors. So in Java, interfaces in Java support all the different types of inheritance like single level, multi-level, hierarchical, multiple, and hybrid. All the five variety of inheritance are supported by interfaces in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.